Hey, man.
You ready to start?
Yeah, I'm excited. Yes.
All right, here we go. Our story takes place a long time ago. In fact, thousands of years ago. So let's rewind back to the time of Jonah. Now, Jonah was a prophet, and his job was to tell people about God. But he didn't just do it in one place. In fact, he traveled all over.
Jonah to the tower. This is tower. I'm a good flight.
Andrew, what was that sound that you just...
Oh, you said Jonah traveled all over the place, right?
Yes.
That was him flying away in a plane, going somewhere else. Oh, here he goes back.
That's what I thought. That's exactly what I thought you did.
Come again.
This happened, this actually happened a long...
Come in hot.
Okay, will you just stop the plane for a second? I'm serious. Will you stop the plane? Okay. Andrew, I'm serious. Will you stop the plane, okay?
Look what you did.
No. Okay, they didn't have planes back then, okay?
Oh, yeah, right. Sorry.
Yes.
They didn't have planes. They had hovercraft.
What? No, they didn't.
Hoverboard. Right?
What? No.
Submarines.
What?
Hover
No.
submarines. That one worked.
No, okay, no. They've traveled around on like camels and donkeys.
Oh. What about like a donkey cycle, huh?
What was that?
It's exhaust.
Can we just get back to
We'll get back to the story.
Okay, here we go. One day, God told Jonah to go to a place called Nineveh.
Nineveh, beautiful.
Actually, it wasn't that great.
Terrible.
Nineveh was full of really mean people. The kind of people that worshipped idols. Who took what wasn't theirs.
Give me that.
And they even killed each other.
I'm gonna kill that guy.
Okay, right. Whoa.
I think I got it.
Anyway, Jonah was afraid. He didn't want to go to Nineveh. The Bible says that he disobeyed God. He got in a boat and he sailed in the complete opposite direction. And at first, everything seemed fine. But then suddenly, Jonah felt a slight gust of wind.
Oh, Pastor Dan.
Okay. No,
How much cheese have you had today?
No, okay, that wasn't. No, just like regular wind.
Regular wind.
Yes. There we go. The wind began to pick up. It blew harder and harder. Waves started crashing into the side of the ship. Suddenly, Jonah found himself in the middle of a huge storm. He went to the captain and said, "This is because of my disobedience. Throw me overboard and the storm will stop." So they grabbed him and they threw him over the side of the ship. He hit the water with a great splash.
Kidding.
Jonah sunk towards the ocean floor.
I'm stinking.
He was afraid he was going to drown when suddenly the water around him began to rumble. He looked below and he saw the eyes of a great, big, giant whale. The whale swam towards Jonah and
Tastes like chicken.
Jonah was trapped inside the belly of the great beast. It was hot, dark, slimy, and smelled like fish guts.
Oh, gross. Fish butts.
Fish guts.
That's what I said. Fish butts.
Okay, try this. Say fish.
Fish.
Okay, now say guts.
Guts.
Okay, let's put those together.
Fish butts.
And it's close enough. Okay. For 3 whole days, Jonah was in the belly of the whale. Finally, he did the right thing. He asked God to forgive him for being disobedient. The Bible says that when he prayed, the whale swam to the top of the sea, and it spit him out. What do you... Okay, that's the stupid thing. Okay. He just...
It's stuck.
Okay, yes, I guess it's okay, I got you.
Oh, come on, he's stuck.
Okay, just
I'm dying here. Come on.
Okay. Jonah flew through the air, and he landed on the shore. The whale turned around and swam back into the ocean.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Jonah got up, he cleaned himself off, and he headed to Nineveh. When he arrived, he stood before the massive gates to the city. He raised up his hand, he clenched his fist, and he banged on the door. The gate, yes. Okay, then. Okay, yes. Okay, will someone just get the door, please? The gate swung open, and Jonah found himself face to face with the wicked people of Nineveh.
Hey, who's that slimy guy?
Jonah began to preach to them, and instead of getting mad, they actually gave him a shot. What? No, okay, no, they gave him a shot like that. They gave him a chance. They didn't kill him.
Oh! Yes, sir! Call the doctor! Jonah, don't die on me! I'm gonna give him out to milk!
Okay.
Oh, no, it smells like fish butts. Nope.
Because Jonah did the right thing, not only was he rescued from the whale, but all the people of Nineveh were saved. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got to give it up for the master of sound effects.